Very good morning to all of you once again. Today we will going to do practical problem as well as one home assignment will be given to you. Problem number 8 goes like this way. The balance sheet of M Limited contain the following items on 31st March 2021. 7.5% preference shares capital of rupees 100 each, rupees 4 lakh, security premium account rupees 18,000, general reserve account 3,20,000. The company redeemed the preference share at a premium of 5% on 1st April 2011. For the purpose of redemption, it is issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 4%. Show journal entry in the books of company to give an effect of the above transaction. Now, here company want to redeem a preference share at a 5% premium, and for that purpose they going to issue 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 4%. Now, when you going to redeem 4 lakh rupees shares and you are getting 2 lakh rupees from equity shares, the balance 2 lakh will be coming from general reserve account as a part of CRR. Okay, so now let's move to the practical sheet. On 1st April, we are doing all the activity. We are issuing shares also on 1st April as well as redemption on the 1st April. So 1st April is our date. 1st April 2021. Our first entry will be of issue of equity shares. Bank account debited to equity share capital account to security premium account. Okay, so we are issuing 2 lakh rupees equity share at a premium of 4%, which comes to rupees 8,000. So total how much cash we are getting? 2 lakh 8,000. And narration will be being 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at 4% premium. Okay. Now my second entry will be of transfer. Second entry will be of transfer. So I am transferring my claim to holders account at 5% premium. So 7.5% preference share capital account debited premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to 7.5% preference share holders account. Holders account. Now let's see. We will going to transfer 4 lakh rupees preference share capital plus 5% premium, which comes to 20,000. So total we will going to pay how much? 4 lakh 20,000. Okay, and narration will be being claim transferred at 5% premium. Okay. Once we have transferred the claim at 5% premium, immediately we will pass an entry of providing a premium. Okay. Date will be the same, and this premium amount we will get from general reserve account, because we have a general reserve account with us. How much you got? 20,000. So here we will write general reserve account debited to premium on redemption of preference share capital account. Okay, amount is 20,000. 20,000. Narration will be being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. After this, my next entry will be creation of CRR. For creating CRR, again, we will going to use general reserve account. First of all, let's see whether we have that much amount in general reserve or not. So, first of all, out of 3,20,000, we have taken out 20,000 for providing a premium. Balance is 3 lakh. We only require 2 lakh rupees. So, we have a sufficient balance in general reserve. We can easily create a CRR account out of general reserve. So, general reserve account debited to capital redemption reserve account. Amount is 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees. So total we want to redeem 4 lakh rupees. 2 lakh we get from equity shares and 2 lakh rupees we got from CRR account. So here we will write being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Now coming to last entry. Last entry is of claim settlement. The claim settlement entry will be 7.5% preference shareholders account debited to account debited to bank account. Narration will be being claim settled at 5% premium. So amount is 4,20,000. 4,20,000. So this is how your entire problem looks like. If you have any problem, then please let me know. Now moving to next problem. Problem number 9. Problem number 9, balance sheet of Shiva Limited on 31st March 2021 was as under. On the liability side, we have 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up, 5 lakh rupees. Equity share capital of rupees 10 each fully paid up, 10 lakh rupees. Security premium 4 lakh rupees. General reserve 3 lakh rupees. 8% debentures of rupees 100 each, current liability 4 lakh rupees. On the asset side, we have fixed asset, investment of rupees 4 lakh, bank balance 90,000, other current asset, preliminary expenses 10,000. On the above date means 31st March 2021. On the above date, the company decided to redeem its preference shares at 10% premium. For this purpose, company sold its investment at a profit of 10%. So this is the investment, and they sold investment at 10% profit and issued 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. At par. Preference shares were duly redeemed. All the money under new issue were received and all the money on redemption was paid. You are required to give necessary journal entries for the above transaction, keeping in view all the legal requirement. Okay. So coming to problem sheet. Now on 31st March 2021, we are passing entry. So we have an entry like sale of investment, issue of shares, transfer of claim at 10% premium, and then providing a premium, and finally creation of CRR. Let's see. First of all, bank account debited to investment account to profit and loss account. So we sold an investment of rupees 4 lakh rupees. We made a profit of 40,000. So total we got 4 lakh 40,000. So here I can say being investment sold at 10% profit. Okay. Now next is issue of shares. Now we are issuing share at par. So bank account debited to equity share capital account. Amount is 25,000 multiplied by 10. So 2,50,000. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे being 25,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each issued at par. Now after this we will transfer claim. For transferring a claim we have preference shares of rupees 10 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees. So 10% preference share capital account debited premium on redemption of preference share capital account debited to holders account. To holders account. So 10% preference share holders account. So we have total liability of rupees, share liability of rupees 5 lakh, 50,000 we have to pay as a premium. So total how much we have to pay? 5 lakh 50,000. Okay, so here we will write being claim transferred at 10% premium. Okay. After this, next entry is providing a premium, and we have a general reserve account. So we will write general reserve account debited to premium for redemption of preference share capital account. Narration will be being premium provided for redemption of preference shares. ठीक है? How much you have to provide? 50,000. After that, we have to create what? CRR account. How much CRR will be required to create? Let's see. 2,50,000 we already got from issue of equity shares. We require 5 lakh rupees. So more 2,50,000 we require. Now sale of investment will not be considered as a capital for redemption of preference share. Yes, might be for a shortage of money we have sold this investment, but it is not considering as a amount which is created for redemption of preference shares. Okay, so more 2,50,000 we require. How much we require? 2,50,000. First of all, let's see whether we have sufficient balance in general reserve or not. We have 3 lakh rupees. From 3 lakh rupees, 2,50,000 we have taken out as a premium. The balance is 2,50,000 and we require 2,50,000. But 2,50,000 से अगर कम होता, still we have a sufficient balance because we also have 40,000 in our profit and loss account. So you can utilize that also. To capital redemption reserve account. यहाँ पे लिखा being CRR created for redemption of preference shares. Okay, so amount is 2,50,000. The last one is कौन सा होता है? Claim settlement. So for claim settlement, we have an entry like holders account debited to bank. Holders account debited to bank account. Here we will add being claim settled at 10% premium. 5,50,000. 5,50,000. This is how we have completed our problem. There are total 6 entries, I think. Yes, there are total 6 entries. Is it clear with everyone? If so, then we will move to next problem. That is a homework problem. I will only going to explain the problem and you will going to do at your home. Let's see. Problem number 10. Problem number 10 says a company issued 1,80,000 redeemable preference shares at par on 1st Jan 2017. On 1st Jan 2017, redeemable at the option of the company on or after 31st December 2018 in whole or a part. वो कह रहा है क्या तो एक साथ कर दो क्या पार्ट में करो. Now the company have taken an option of part redemption. So the following redemption were made out of profit. Out of profit means for this redemption we require to create CRR. So on 30th June 2019, first redemption of rupees 60,000 was made, okay, out of profit, and the second slot of or second part of redemption was of rupees 40,000. Okay, this is also out of profit. Now we want to redeem 1,80,000. 1,80,000 minus 60 minus 40, so total 80,000 shares are still remaining. 80,000 shares are still remaining. So for that purpose, on 31st on December 2020, that is 31st December, the company has issued equity shares face value 60,000 at a premium of 2%. At a premium of 2%. Okay. और बाकी का आपने क्या कर दिया? Redeem कर दिया. Means for a purpose of redemption of 80,000, you have or you got 60,000 from equity shares. Now the balance you will get from profit. Balance you will get from profit. Balance is how much? 20,000. So let's see how many entries will be there. Number one, for slot number 1 on 30th June 2019, there will be 3 entries. What are 3 entries? Number 1, transfer of claim at par, because here we are doing at par. Okay. So transfer of claim at par. Number 2, creation of CRR. And number 3, claim settlement. Similarly, for 30th June second slot, again you will going to pass 3 entry. Transfer of claim, creation of capital redemption reserve, and settlement. Whereas for the third part of redemption, you have to pass 4 entries. How many entries? 4 entries. First entry will be of transfer of claim. Second, issue of equity shares. Third, creation of CRR. And finally, claim settlement. I hope you can able to do this problem at your home. If you have any problem, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.